everyone, Gene Hackis here with the Builderall team. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the redirect feature for your network marketing business. Now, let's say, for instance, in your business, you have a specific offer or some product that you want to redirect people to without having to send the long affiliate link or distributor link that shows all these ugly things as you can see up here. You don't want to share something like that online, especially on your social media. So you have a branded domain, which in this case for training purposes, I have genehackis.com. Now, if I wanted to redirect somebody to my specific offer, I can say genehackis.com/offer1 or offer 2, 3, and so on. And each of those links is actually going to redirect someone to a specific page that's not created in Builderall, but you will need to create an actual physical page here in Builderall, and that page redirects them to the link that you want to send them to, which in your case would be your MLM product or your MLM business. So to do that, we're going to start by creating a new page. Let's click on Create New Page. Let's give this a name, BA $1, title, BA $1, description, same thing. Now you want to scroll down, click on SEO settings. Then when you scroll down over here to redirect to, this is where you want to put your network marketing or MLM business or product, distributor or affiliate link. In this case, we're going to put our Builderall link. Next, since this is a Builderall page, you're able to actually attach your own personal share image. But just be mindful that you want to have the correct dimensions so that when it's shared within your social media, it displays properly. Then we want to press save. But I already done this in advance, so we just have it right here. And we can check the settings are the same when we click on settings. The name, the SEO settings, and as you can see, we have my Builderall link and then an image to share, which is the proper dimensions. But we're not done yet. We need to click on edit page. And now when someone lands on your actual link that you're sharing, for a split second or two, they're going to actually see your page. And so that things look much better and more professional, you might want to add a loading screen or a loading picture, or for my case, I have here a loading GIF or GIF, or you can do just loading text. It's up to you, all depending on maybe the following page that you're going to redirect them to. You might want it to be matching in colors and so on. So let's press save. And now let's actually go test this and see this live. I'm going to click on the 3 dots right here and then go to the website page. As you can see, for a split second, it showed the loading. And over here on the top, it shows the URL that we added on the redirect on the SEO settings. And if we go back, we can test it again and just look at the top address bar. As you saw, it redirected and changed the link. And here you have the page and the content that you sent them to. All right, I hope that was helpful and you get to use this amazing tool in your business and network marketing business. Once again, my name is Gene Hackis with the Builderall team.